What does PEG stand for, Riz? What does PEG stand for? Give it a go. Percutaneous Endoscopic Gastrostomy. Or one of these. This is a PEG. And we've got a very specific routine to keep your PEG looking so amazing, don't we? It's looking very good. It does move round. It goes directly into your tummy. Get one of these cloths. So we get a cotton wool pad. And what do we do with it? Yeah, we soak it in nice warm water. Then we rip it into the middle, just like this. Yeah, so we do a little tear, like that, a little V shape that goes into the middle. And then we basically wrap the PEG. This is dry, doesn't work, we need a wet one. And we wrap it around the PEG and we soak it like that. Then we get a little cloth when it's wet, because this one's a dry one, but if it was wet. Put a little towel to make sure it doesn't drip on the bed all the way down, and we leave it. How long do we leave it for? No, it's usually about 10 minutes, isn't it? Yeah, we soak it for 10 minutes and then we take it off and we wipe all the way around and we wipe underneath all the way around the PEG, and then we have a beautiful looking PEG site. It's good, isn't it, Riz? And we do that morning and we do that night. It's good.